Fuck. This sucks. Alright, so now actually, you know what? Now that the lights are on, I kind of want to redo MILF. You know what? Let's do it. Let's redo MILF. Okay, that one part of the song is fucking impossible for my tiny brain. And plus, the song is a lot flashier. I'm better at this song. Let's go. You know what? Wait, did they remove it? They did it. Damn it. There was an earlier patch where you could just kill yourself by pressing one button, and I tried to do it at the very end. Well, that was it.